The Freedom Fund, your ticket to a stress-free future. Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, where you can focus on what truly matters without constantly worrying about money. Tired of unexpected expenses derailing your financial goals? We've all been there. It's frustrating when you're working hard to save and plan, only to be blindsided by an unforeseen cost. You're finally making progress on your debt snowball, then bam. The car needs a new transmission. It's moments like these that can make you feel like you're taking one step forward and two steps back. Don't let these financial surprises knock you off your feet. With the right strategy, you can turn these challenges into manageable events. It's time to take control with sinking funds. These are specific savings set aside for anticipated expenses, allowing you to plan ahead and avoid financial stress. Sinking funds are your secret weapon against the unexpected. By regularly contributing to these funds, you build a financial cushion that can absorb the shock of sudden expenses. They give you the power to say yes to opportunities and no to debt. Imagine being able to seize a great deal or invest in a new venture without hesitation. Imagine this, a stress-free vacation, fully funded and enjoyed without the shadow of debt looming over you. You can relax and create memories knowing everything is taken care of. A new car without a loan, purchased outright because you planned ahead. No monthly payments, no interest, just the joy of driving your new vehicle, or the ability to handle home repairs without breaking a sweat. Whether it's a leaky roof or a new appliance, you're prepared and can address the issue promptly. That's the power of sinking funds. They provide security and peace of mind, allowing you to live your life with confidence and financial stability. Start your journey to a stress-free future today. What is a sinking fund? A sinking fund is a simple savings plan for a specific expense you know is coming. It's a proactive approach to managing your finances, ensuring that you're prepared for future costs without the stress of scrambling for money at the last minute. It's about breaking down big, overwhelming costs into small, manageable monthly contributions. By setting aside a little bit of money each month, you can gradually build up the funds you need for larger expenses. This method helps you avoid the financial strain that can come with unexpected costs. For example, instead of panicking when your car needs new tires, you'll have the money ready to go. This way, you can handle the expense without resorting to credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. No stress, no debt, just financial peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan in place for upcoming expenses can give you a sense of control and security over your finances. Let's say you want to buy a new TV that costs $1,200. Instead of putting it on credit and paying hefty interest charges, you could create a sinking fund and save $100 per month for 12 months. By the time you would have bought all wait i mai tuiri to buy, you'll have the cash ready. This approach not only saves you money on interest, but also helps you develop good saving habits. You can use sinking funds for various goals such as vacations, home repairs, or even holiday shopping. Imagine the satisfaction of walking into a store and paying for your new TV with cash, knowing that you planned and saved for it. This method can be applied to many areas of your life, making financial planning more manageable and less stressful. Whether it's a dream vacation, a necessary home repair, or any other significant expense, a sinking fund can help you achieve your goals without financial strain. By breaking down your savings into smaller, regular contributions, you can make large expenses feel more achievable. Start by identifying your goal and determining how much you need to save each month to reach it. Then consistently set aside that amount and watch your savings grow. Over time, you'll find that sinking funds can transform your approach to money management, giving you greater confidence and peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Start your sinking fund today and take control of your financial future. With a little planning and discipline, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Why sinking funds matter. No more debt for birthday presents. Imagine the joy of celebrating a loved one's birthday without the stress of debt hanging over your head. Birthdays are meant to be joyous occasions, not financial burdens. Sinking funds are about more than just avoiding debt. They are a proactive way to manage your finances, ensuring that you are prepared for both expected and unexpected expenses. By setting aside small amounts regularly, you build a financial cushion that can cover various needs. They're about taking control of your money and your life. When you have sinking funds, you are not at the mercy of last-minute financial scrambles. Instead, you have a plan and a sense of security. This control extends beyond just birthdays. It impacts every aspect of your financial life. They give you the freedom to say yes to the things that matter most. Think about it. Whether it's a hobby you've always wanted to pursue or a spontaneous weekend getaway, having the funds set aside allows you to enjoy life without the constant worry of how to pay for it. How much better would it be to pay for your next vacation in cash? Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your trip is fully funded, allowing you to relax and enjoy every moment without the shadow of debt, or to have the money saved for your child's education. Education is one of the most significant investments you can make in your child's future. With a sinking fund, you can ensure that you are financially prepared for tuition, books, and other educational expenses. Sinking funds empower you to achieve your financial dreams without relying on credit cards. They provide a structured way to save for your goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or simply building an emergency fund. By planning ahead, you can celebrate financial milestones with confidence and pride. Getting started, your step-by-step guide to financial peace. Creating a sinking fund is easier than you think. It's just about following a few simple steps. We'll walk you through it together, one step at a time, ready to take control of your finances and start building a brighter future. Let's do this. Step 1, identify your goals. What are you saving for? The first step is to identify your saving goals. What are the big expenses you'd like to save for? This could be anything from a new car to your dream vacation, or even just an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. Write down all the expenses you want to save for. Don't worry about the amounts just yet. Just focus on identifying your goals. Step 2, set your targets. How much will you need? Now that you know what you're saving for, it's time to figure out how much you need to save. Do some research to determine the cost of each goal. Be realistic in your estimations. Once you have a target amount for each goal, you can start planning your saving strategy. Step 3, make it automatic. Pay yourself first. The key to successful sinking funds is to make saving automatic. Set up a system where money is transferred directly from your checking account to your sinking fund each month. Think of it like paying a bill. You're paying yourself first. This ensures you're consistently saving towards your goals without even having to think about it. Congratulations, you're on your way to financial freedom. By setting up sinking funds and committing to a regular savings plan, you're taking a huge step towards financial freedom. You'll be amazed at how much more secure and in control you feel knowing you have a plan to handle life's unexpected expenses. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your savings plan even when it's tough. The rewards are worth it. Join the community. Let's get this money. Ready to dive deeper into the world of sinking funds and financial freedom? Subscribe to Online with Teresa today. We'll share more tips, tricks, and resources to help you achieve your financial goals. Leave a comment below and tell us about one sinking fund you're creating today. Let's encourage each other on this journey to financial peace.